please let me introduce a flooring material that leads the fashion trend and has excellent quality: Sunstone Silicate flooring. Firstly, it can create seamless flooring, which makes your home more spacious and fashionable. Whether it is a large living room, dining room, or balcony or garden in a corner. Furthermore, it can easily meet your needs. It is water vapor permeable, so that your living environment remains dry and comfortable, and you no longer have to worry about the trouble caused by moisture. In addition, it's stable to temperature changes, whether in hot summer or cold winter. It can maintain stable performance. Most importantly, Sunstone Silicate flooring will not crack by itself and long-lasting. Finally, Sunstone Silicate flooring is easy to install and flexible, which allows you to save time and effort during the installation process and enjoy a relaxing and pleasant flooring experience.